candidate na Mr. Grand. How does it feel na sa maraming kalaban mo today, isa ka sa natalo?
Siyempre po flattered, one ako and then thankful din kay Lord. Siyempre, pinangarap ko lang ito dati before ako mag-start ng pageant. This is one of my target din talaga na pageant. So yun po, I'm really thankful alam sa mga supporters ko. Mga naniniwala na may pag-asa tayo na.
So now that you enter my pageant, how about yung sa TikTok side, yung bench? Wala namang conflict?
Wala naman po siyang conflict kung I can make them. If you really want, if you really want to do other things, if you really love them, you can make a way.
Do you think yung naging edge mo, yung feeling edge mo yun para makapasok as one of the finals of the
Yes po, I can feel that this is one of my edge since nowadays technology and mas more on social media like this can be the platform for me so I can gain more support and I can tell them my advocacy of social media management.
Jaden, pwede mong ikwento kung paano ka nakapasok dito? Kung sinong nag-ano sa'yo?
Kasi totoo niyan, nagka-title ako sa Quezon Province and that provide opportunity for us to join national pageants. So that's the first thing. And aside from that, I push myself kasi I want to be better every day.
Paano yung ano kasi hindi magamit yung real, mas kilala ka dun sa screen name mo yun. Then entering this pageant ka, full name mo. So wala ba maging bad? Kasi recall ng mga tao, kahit ako, as Jaden, not as Jonas.
No conflict naman po. I'll still use both of them if really that's what you prefer or kung ano po yung preferred ng tao. I'll still use them.
May ano ka rin ba? Bukod sa budget, may bala ka rin na pumasok sa showbiz later on?
I'm open naman po sa kahit anong opportunity as long as it will give growth to me. Yan. I'm open.
May mga ano ka ba? Mga dream roles?
Mga prospect.
Mature roles, parang for now, I'm not really sure po if I can do that for now. Kasi po, yan nga po, galing dun sa last issue bago mag-start sana. So I'm not really sure. Maybe soon, pero not really sure pa.
Pero if ever, meron ka bang mga parang gusto mo makatrabaho?
Hindi ko pa siya na-experience to be honest, acting like that, hindi ko pa po siya na-experience. Pero kahit sino po, as long as yan, good yung opportunity, kahit sino artist.
Sino na lang yung hinahangaan mong actor na parang someday sana ako magiganito?
Hindi ko po sure ngayon kasi hindi na po akong palanood ng TV. So siguro ngayon, sino ba? Siguro Sir Coco Martin, director, actor. And sa Sir Coco Martin, siguro I want to, if ever I'll be given a chance to work with some actors, that will be Sir Coco Martin.
How about yung magiging preparations mo para sa finals?
Preparation for sure. Dikdikan to, kailangan ko mas maging consistent. Kasi kalaban ko rin yung sarili. Lahat naman tayo kalaban yung sarili for whatever we are up to. So I need to be more disciplined, stay healthy, and kailangan be still healthy kasi kung hindi tayo healthy, hindi tayo makakalaban. So I'll be more disciplined and dedicated po.
Now that you saw na yung mga finalists, yung first batch, sino feeling mo yung magiging threat? Yung malakas na lugar?
Lahat sila. Kasi I can see potential for every candidate naman. Hindi ko sila, wala akong minemenos kasi lahat yan may potential. Wala yan sa look, wala yan sa height. They can be better every day. So I'm not really sure. So I'll do my best na lang.
And bakit mananalo si Jaden sa Mr. Grand?
Bakit mananalo si Jaden this Mr. Grand? I'll show you na lang guys. Surprise na lang yan. I'll show you. I'll give you the best show guys that you can possibly have.
So sa pinakita mo ngayon, mas ilo-level up? Yung mga pasama?
Wala pa po yan. Teaser pa lang yun.
Ay, Jaden, sorry kasi hindi kami nung second screening. Ano yung pinakita mong talent?
Maybe this
Kumanta po ako pero yan
Maybe
kumanta
this
ako.
time.
Yes.
May ila-level up pa ba yung talent?
Meron pa naman po. I can dance man pero I need to practice more kasi parang sobrang tigas na ng katawan ko guys. Kailangan ko na ng pakulo. Kailangan ko ng pakulo ng katawan guys. Sobrang tigas na ng katawan ko. Yes. But I can dance as well.
Sample ba?
Sa dance, hindi pa ako ready for the dance.
Paghahanda.
Paghahanda.
Pero doon sa nagiging may talent portion mo. Sa Mr. Green, meron.
As far as I know po meron.
Pero ikaw, ano ba yung nag-focus? Yung singing, dancing, yung mas...
Surprise po, I can disclose muna kasi kailangan natin guys magpasa.
Hanggang sa ano mo, Jaden sa body mo? Paano mo siya inaalagaan?
At to be honest, kailangan lang, yan, may limit. Every time naman kailangan may limit for everything para hindi mo sobra. And for the body, yan, we need to eat healthy. And more of chicken. And since I do work out and kailangan mag-take yung body.
Dahil mo slowly sa bench fashion mo, tinam yung mga videos mo. So how was it naman yung feeling na nakarank ka sa
Yeah,
bench?
isang
It was really fun, guys, kasi nga yan first time kong rumampa sa Bench Fashion Week. And kaya naka-line up ako with other artists na bigatan. So, napaka-flattering niya sa akin. And sobrang overwhelming niya rin. Kasi grabe yung mga kasama ko, nanlilit ako guys.
Invite mo na lang sila.
So yan guys, yan mag-start na yung Mr. Grand Night and Mr. Grand Journey. For those na who want to support me guys, you can also follow my social media account _Jaden Fernandez. And sa mga hindi po naka-follow, sa Mr. Grand Philippines for you to be updated na rin. And para wala kayong ma-miss out sa mga happenings here in Mr. Grand, you can follow and like our page.
Jaden, sample na lang, last yung paano yung shout out mo dahil official ka na.
Shout
Sa,
out.
dun sa Instagram, nagpakilala, intro.
Intro, okay.
Hindi prepare na ba?
To be honest, di pa ako ready, but siguro normal lang. Yan. Jaden Fernandez came from the land of Thousand Colors, province of Quezon.
Thank you, congrats.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Thank you so much. From Bona, Pampanga, congratulations, Marky Santos.